How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I try to catch bottoms in the stock market. And today I want to go over my unique system that I had developed for over 6 years to make me consistently profitable in the market. And yes, disclaimer, no system is going to be a perfect system. There is going to be times where you're like, man, this sucks. There's always some type of thing that you're going to have some losses, but this system has over a 90% win ratio, and I want to go over ticker NYCB, and I want to show you guys exactly how I want to trade it and my update on it, where I see this going, and like some trying to get like some positivity, optimism, and see where to bring in where we could potentially go. As this is, to me, this is short-term pain. This is not long-term pain. And I think even in the short term, we could get a nice little gain. So, and before I get right into the video of exactly what I'm seeing, please join the Discord. I have a premium Discord where I have a lot of members in here where we discuss bottoms, reversals. It's only $6 a month, and you can also get my setup video on how to set up all this, and then also my trade alerts. That will be all posted into the YouTube comments and in the description if you want to join for only $6. And as you can see, things are happening on the daily, so that's why I have a Discord, so I can communicate with my followers. But let me discuss to you an important candle. I always look at the weekly candle for the bigger cap stocks, and when you're looking at this, think of we have three types of things we're looking at. The green band is your buy zone. The blue band is where price corrects to, and it has to. The red band is your sell zone. So as I've been doing this for a long time, I kind of know the ins and outs, but the weekly candle is definitely a must for me. And when you see price hit this weekly candle, the next week this has ran up 36%, making massive returns, which is really nice. Price hits the top and it goes down. We'll see if I can find some other candles. And this does not mean it's going to work the same way it has done in the past. Like right in here, hit this to a T and then went all the way up from $8 all the way to upper 10s, almost 11s. Right in here, hits this, goes up, and eventually corrects to this middle band. Is there any more? I don't see any more. Oh, right here was the COVID. Was this? Yeah. Oh, well, this is 2001. Even in this big crisis right in here, the system still had a nice little buy signal in here, and then it corrected beautifully, nicely, and it kept going up and it hit that middle band for an uptrend. So this is where we're at. Obviously, we are hitting some levels we probably haven't seen before, right? So where are we going to try to make this trade? And I'm going to show you guys exactly where I was seeing this before. I did see this right here going down a lot. It penetrated the weekly candle. This was an amazing buy signal right here for a short-term correction to make a nice gain. And if you put a stop loss way up there, if it hits, then you're out of the trade. Once you're in that green, you don't want a green trade go red. So basically what you see here, you get in here, accumulate a lot of shares in here, making massive gains once it goes back up here in the high fives, and it was in the low threes. And now we're having a similar pattern here. We're penetrating the green band here, and so we're going to look for a correction just like this candle here, and we're going to see where we can go from there. And then the next candle we want to look at is the daily to make sure they are matching. The daily is matching, so the weekly and daily are matching for that same type of setup. Now keep in mind, the reason why I like this setup the best is one, if you were looking at the KDJ, which is this line right here, right? The KDJ for a bigger cap stock like this is at 10.51, which is pretty freaking low compared to a lot that I see. So this is a very, very small, okay, compared to this one was at 29, but obviously it was going to be lower when it hit down here, and then it has to like bounce back, right? That's what the K is. With the lower the K, the higher percentage of it bouncing back. And then also, if you're probably thinking, well, why is the candles way under this band here? Well, we get the first drop off here, making it already under, and then it takes time for the band to correct to that. And then also to you wouldn't be in these trades right in here because we're looking for a penetration like right in here at 370, and that is where you're getting that penetration is on this candle right in here. So just keep that in mind. So right in here, you accumulate your shares, and then it shoots up. what I'm looking for is, since I said price has to correct to the middle band, the weekly is going to take longer, but the daily is going to actually go in a short amount of time than the weekly. If you look at the last time we hit it was on January 30th, 2024, and we're all the way into March 4th, 2024. Now, I have records of what's a very long time. 2 months is when I start seeing stocks correct to it. That is the kind of the longest I usually see is 2 months. So if you do the math, 130 to 304, we are at an inflection of getting there. 230 and then 330. We're getting very freaking close here, right? So just keep that in mind. We're in at like some month and some change right in there, and I suspect in a month and a half this right here is going to get corrected, and we're going to see it bounce to that blue band, because as you can see, it's like having a painting. It looks very weird if we're not magneted to it. When we get price way down here, you're going to want to bounce up, and that's what we do here to correct this painting, to make it look good and not weird looking. And that's what it is here. It's good. Price is going to move up and down in waves, and that's what we're at. So right now, chart looks literally really disgusting here, but it's going to get corrected, and we just need time, right? So the reason why I like this strategy, especially with the bigger cap stocks, is once you use all these things, you're making the best educated guesses. Obviously, there's no perfect way to say this is going to be the exact bottom. If there was a system like that, everyone would get it. People will be millionaires. The market is unpredictable. Anything can happen. There's going to be a news overnight, or, no one knows for sure. But I do know this is a good buy based on my daily, the weekly, and then the time frame from the middle band to that. I don't see how my probabilities of making money here are a lot higher, and so that's why I like this right here. So that's what I'm looking at. The only thing I do see that I don't necessarily like as much is the K is at 22 on the daily. It could be lower. I would like to see like at the 10, but everything else is lining up. And this is accumulation phase. If it does go a little lower, of course, I'm going to accumulate more shares, and I'll be happy to do it. And I can see this going a lot higher. So to me, it's worth the risk, in my opinion. And the middle band is at 4.95. That is a great area to go to. So that's the whole conclusion there. I did see all the downgrades. It's expected for the price to go down after all that. And what is nice is this stock has plenty of eyes on it, lots of volume. So once it gets going, it's going to get going fast. Now, guys, if you guys enjoyed this type of video, I hope I brought a lot of optimism and on a market that was just terrible today, and I give you guys trying to like how I'm feeling, and I'm just. What's nice is with this strategy, I'm not just randomly buying. I'm waiting for candles to go into my levels that I wanted to, and I kind of know where I can get a target price at, or like where my I can target, and that's that middle band. That's the great thing about this middle band strategy. You know exactly where you can target. You know your potential, and then also the length it takes to get there. Usually, it starts getting there fast within 1 to 2 months. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, this is what it looks like. It is nice. A lot of people are in here. A lot of people making money. More minds, the better, right? Because when price is going down, you're all alone. You get irritated. A lot of people can uplift you and be like, this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing this. And, on the chart and this, and that, news articles. This is why it's nice to have a community to help you, lift you up. And for bigger cap stocks like this, these are the safe type of plays. I feel like, it is nice to make money on these things. But so keep in mind, this is how I'm thinking. I am in it, so I just wanted to give an update, because my last video I did say I do see this going down, and now today I am in it, and I want to accumulate it. So if you want to know exactly what I'm doing, I have a trade alert section where you can see my actual entries and exits and what I plan to do, and then a setup video. I made a video for TradingView where all you need is the free version, and you can see exactly to get all these indicators on my chart and a bigger explanation video of how I do it. So I had the setup video, and then I'll put like extra videos in here that I see. But yes, that's the whole thing in here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is only $6, and when you do get in, go down to the YouTube comments. I'll pin it, and it'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades, and it'll also be in the description, my link, and it'll take you to here. It'll have a free chat, and what you want to do is you want to click the premium chat up in here where it says subscriptions, and that will opt you to subscribe. And keep in mind, it is a little cheaper if you do it on computer because iOS charges a fee, right? If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment to me what your average share price is, any type of engagement. Will share this video to other people who are looking for the bottom and to feel a little confident about their decision. I'm liking this trade. I am going to be adding more shares to make a lot of money on this trade, and I hope you guys too, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. Take care.